Let's take a look here at the logic for security rules, and there's a lot of logic here, so we'll work our way through it. And unfortunately, there's no fun way to visualize this, so we just got to work through the text. So you may not create two security rules with the same priority and direction. You can have 5,000 NSGs per subscription and 1,000 NSGs rules per NSG. For priority, rules are processed in priority order with lowest number processed before the higher number. And network security groups rules are evaluated by priority using a 5-tuple information to allow or deny traffic based on source ports, destination ports, and protocol. Honestly, I don't know what they mean by that. And I couldn't make any sense. It's in the documentation, so I'm just showing it to you here. Then there's flow records. They don't exactly explain what they are, but I assume the idea is that when a request flows through the NSG, they're attaching additional information to it. So the flow record allows a network security group to be stateful. A flow record is created for existing connections. Communication is allowed or denied based on the connection state of the flow record. And so let's talk about statefulness. So if you specify an outbound security port, you don't need to set the inbound port since it will be set for you. You only need to specify an inbound security rule if the communication is initiated externally. And the opposite is also true if inbound traffic is allowed over a port. It's not necessary to specify an outbound security rule to respond to traffic over the port. And the reason I know this, when another port is set with another one, that's when it's stateful. If it didn't do that, then it would be considered stateless. But it's stateful. Let's talk about interruption. So existing connections may not be interrupted when you remove a security rule that enabled the flow. And traffic flows are interrupted when connections are stopped and no traffic is flowing in either direction for at least a few minutes. So there's the rules. There are a lot of stuff there. Honestly, I won't even remember 90% of this stuff, but I just wanted to go through it with you. So there you go.